So today I'm comparing Klaviyo versus Mailchimp to help you figure out which email marketing tool is actually better for US online stores. But before we go step by step, here's something store owners never realize. If your email open rates suddenly drop, or your campaigns keep landing on spam, there's one tiny deliverability setting in these platforms that fixes it instantly. I'll show you exactly what it is later. Now, let's break down the real difference. Klaviyo is built specifically for e-commerce, especially Shopify and WooCommerce stores. You get deep customer data, smarter flows, product recommendations, and the kind of segmentation that turns abandoned carts into real revenue. Mailchimp, on the other hand, is more beginner friendly and great for small businesses that want simple newsletters, templates, and cheaper starting plans without the learning curve. Here's where the transformation moment. A store using basic one-time email blast can suddenly shift into automated revenue on autopilot when Klaviyo flows kick in. Welcome series, browse abandonment, repeat buyer flows, everything. But Mailchimp has its own advantage too. If you run a small service business or a local shop, it's faster to set up, cheaper per subscriber, and has more drag and go templates for quick campaigns. Now, back to the hidden feature. Both Klaviyo and Mailchimp let you enable custom authentication, and turning that on instantly boosts deliverability so more of your emails actually reach inboxes. So here's the bottom line. If you are an e-commerce store focused on revenue, targeting, and growth, Klaviyo wins. But if you want simple newsletters, low cost, and easy setup, Mailchimp is perfect. If you want a beginner-friendly setup guide for either platform, drop a comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more US digital marketing breakdowns.